Have you ever wondered what it really takes to thrive in the rapidly changing future of work? What if the key to success isn't just about mastering technical skills, but honing abilities that machines can never replicate? In this video, we're diving into the 15 essential skills you'll need to stand out and succeed in the next 15 years. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill abilities. Mastering them could mean the difference between falling behind and staying ahead of the competition. Stick around, because what you'll learn today could be the key to unlocking your future success. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with more tips on how to thrive in tomorrow's world. 1. Adapt faster than the world changes. In a world that's constantly evolving, waiting for a skill to become popular means you're already late. You need to be ahead of the curve, anticipating change rather than reacting to it. Think of how quickly coding languages become outdated, or how professionals who predicted the rise of remote work long before the pandemic are thriving now. The faster you can adapt, the better positioned you'll be to stay relevant. 2. Master the art of information overload. The volume of information in the future will be overwhelming, and a lot of it will be misleading. Success lies in your ability to sift through the noise, find the facts, and organize them into actionable insights. Data scientists, for example, are paid handsomely because they can analyze huge data sets and extract valuable information that guides business decisions, making them indispensable in any industry. 3. Creativity plus structure, the ultimate combo. In a world where automation dominates, creativity will be your competitive advantage. However, creativity alone isn't enough. It needs to be paired with structure to truly shine. Think of successful entrepreneurs who balance innovation with disciplined business systems, allowing them to scale ideas into thriving companies. Without this balance, creativity becomes chaotic and structure becomes stagnant. 4. Time mastery, your most valuable asset. Time is your most precious resource, and those who master it will rise to the top. Effective time management is about knowing when you're most productive and focusing your energy on high-impact tasks. Take a cue from productivity gurus like Tim Ferriss, who emphasizes the importance of prioritizing tasks that yield the greatest results, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. 5. Collaboration with machines. As AI and automation reshape industries, those who resist the change will be left behind. The key is learning how to work alongside machines, using them to enhance your productivity. Consider how graphic designers now use AI tools like Adobe Sensei to streamline tedious tasks, allowing them to focus on their creative strengths while still delivering projects faster. 6. Sociability and empathy, the rare skills of the future. The rise of digital communication has led to a decline in face-to-face social skills. In a world where many are losing these abilities, being sociable and empathetic will set you apart. Imagine a customer service rep who not only solves problems efficiently, but also makes customers feel genuinely understood. This level of connection will make you invaluable in any service-driven industry. 7. Become cybersecurity literate. As the digital landscape expands, so do the risks. Cybersecurity skills will no longer be optional, they'll be essential. Look at how companies invest millions in data protection, as seen in the rise of cybersecurity firms like Palo Alto Networks. Those who can safeguard sensitive information will have a critical edge in a world increasingly dependent on digital infrastructure. 8. Understand what motivates people. Empathy is powerful, but understanding what drives others is key to influence. The ability to communicate effectively and motivate people will make you a leader in any field. Think of how leaders like Simon Sinek inspire millions by understanding the why behind human behavior, motivating teams to achieve great things. 9. Master self-control and emotional regulation. In high-pressure situations, emotional intelligence will separate the leaders from the followers. Stoicism teaches us that while we can't control everything around us, we can control our response to it. This calm, clear-headed approach is what made figures like Marcus Aurelius successful, and it's what will help you thrive amidst uncertainty in the years to come. Chinese. 10. Recognize and fix biases. AI is only as unbiased as the data it's trained on, and humans are inherently biased. Being able to recognize and fix these biases will be a critical skill as AI shapes decision-making processes. Imagine being the person who helps companies avoid PR disasters by identifying bias in algorithms, like how Amazon had to fix its AI recruiting tool after it showed bias against women. 11. Think like an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are resourceful, proactive, and innovative, traits that will be in high demand whether you're self-employed or working within a company. They know how to pivot quickly in the face of adversity, like how Airbnb switched its focus to long-term stays during the pandemic, ensuring its survival and growth when travel halted. 12. Deep, independent thinking. In a world reliant on automation, deep thinking will become increasingly rare. Those who can step back and think critically, without the influence of machines, will offer perspectives that are truly valuable. Consider how philosophers and innovators like Elon Musk dive deep into problems to uncover unique solutions that no algorithm could generate. 13. Data analytics, turning numbers into gold. Data drives the modern world, and those who can interpret it will hold the keys to success. Being able to transform raw data into actionable insights can make you indispensable, as companies rely on data analysts to predict trends, enhance marketing strategies, and make better business decisions. Think of how Netflix uses data analytics to recommend shows tailored to individual preferences, keeping viewers hooked. 14. Leverage smart systems. Smart systems are quietly revolutionizing everyday life, from waste management to home automation. Mastering these systems can free up your time and make your work more efficient. Take, for example, how logistics companies use smart systems to optimize delivery routes, cutting costs and speeding up service. 15. Navigate the ethics of technology. With great technological advancements come great ethical dilemmas. Those who can navigate these complex issues will be in demand, ensuring that AI and automation are used responsibly. Consider the challenges Facebook faced with privacy and data breaches. Companies need people who can balance innovation with ethical standards to maintain public trust. If you're intrigued by the idea of achieving financial freedom through mastering these essential future skills, keep watching our previous videos where we dive deeper into the strategies that can get you there. There are plenty of surprises in store for those who prepare themselves now for what's coming. Don't forget to click the link in the description for exclusive tips and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.